All right, language explorers. Let's look at today's Friday idioms. So, made waves. Yeah. Creating an impression. And people take notice. Yeah, people make you make an impression with people. And people notice, who is that? Who is it? Who is he? What's going on over there? What's that? Oh, what's that? Oh. An impression, yeah. Here we are, making an impression so people notice you. Wow, who is that? What's going on there? So, like, you're making a wave, you're disrupting things. Here's all this water, you throw a rock in there, and the waves bouncing, and everything's happening. And people are like, whoa, who is that? What's going on? What is that? Oh, that's new. Ooh. They want to know more. People take notice. Yeah. You're making waves in the marketing department. Yeah. I like to make waves when I go somewhere new. By learning Spanish, I can make waves with more people. Yeah. Very good. I want to be making waves on the world stage. Well, who doesn't? Yeah. If there is one place worth making waves, it is in front of the whole world. Yes, definitely. How cool is that? Yeah. The plan is to make waves online. Yes. So, in order to be seen and, well, in order to be known, liked and trusted, you have to make waves online so people can consume your content, so they can get to know you. Yeah. Make waves, get attention, do stuff, be seen, teach, create. By creating more than you consume, you can make waves online or in the world. Yeah. Give. How cool is that? Yeah. So made waves, like in the water, and the waves here. Yeah. But can you, language explorers, use made waves in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.